What's up guys, it's Sabi here again with another new video. So in today's video I will show you how to use self-service car wash. So the first thing you need is coins, and if you don't have coins I'll show you how to get coins. So this is a change machine, and as you can see, insert $5 note, $10 note or $20 note. So I have this $20 notes with me and I'll put it in here, and the cash will come out here as coins. So I've got these coins here. Alright. Okay, so I've got all these $20 coins and I'm going to use it for car wash. Alright, so here is the slot to put coins, and as you can see there are different options. So the first option is tire engine cleaner, pre-soak, soap, foaming brush, rinse, splatter something, pro shine, ceramic, rinse, spot free rinse. Out of all these options, the options I use, and I will also recommend you to use those options as well, because those are the options, if you will use, are enough for you to clean your car really nicely and properly. Alright, so I'll put $2 coin here and $2 more, and then the rest I will put later once these coins will be finishing. So I will press pre-soak option first. Alright, so this is the car hose. So I'm gonna pre-soak it. What does this pre-soak do? It will help you pre-soak. When you're going to use the soap option, this option will help you clean all the thick dust and grease on your car when you use this pre-soak option. But you will notice that most of the dirt and dust and grease is at the bottom of the car. So make sure you pre-soak your car more at the bottom part of the car instead of top. Alright. Now the tires, and now the front little screen. Now I'm going to use the soap option, and with the soap option water come out with really high pressure and really hot water. Now I'm going to use the rinse option. So I'll press the rinse button. I won't use foaming brush because sometimes foaming brush has got a lot of stones in it. You will use a foam brush, it will put some scratch mark on your car with the foaming brush, because a lot of time it's got small tiny stones in it. Alright, so the last option I'm going to use is spot free rinse. And what spot free rinse does is, after you rinse it, there are a lot of water marks remain on the car. And spot free rinse get rid of all those marks, the water marks, and it makes your car really look nice and clean. So this is the final option I'm using. you can see, my car looks really nice and clean and shiny. Beautiful. Look at this, guys. So this is the way you clean your car, and make sure you use only those options which I have used. Alright, so I hope you really like this video. Please make sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell for all the latest upcoming videos, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, goodbye.